Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The alphabets of A. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for guard, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw H. H for a hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, again use brown color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids, now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. Kids neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Tell words of P and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Q. Q for queen. Tell words of Q. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice. Tell words of R and use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S for sun. Tell words of S. Kids neither T. T for teacher. Tell words of T and use brown color. Brown color. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use brown color and draw U. U for umbrella. Tell words of U. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. Tell words of V and use green color. Green color. W. W for wolf. Tell words of W and again use green color. Green color. It's neither X. X for X-ray. Tell words of X and use black color. Black color. Y. Y for yak. Tell words of Y. Kids again use black color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Tell words of Z. Kids neither numbers and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. Red color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W-O-2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. Blue color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use blue color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7 and use brown color. Brown color. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use brown color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9 and use green color. Green color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use green color and last you draw 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.